Hey everyone, Jordan Overby, Utility Service Agency, here with Preformed Line Products Drone Inspection Program. With utilities having aging infrastructure across the nation, we run into opportunities where we have to inspect the lines and we might not be able to do it in the most efficient manner manually. So Preformed Line Products started a drone inspection program a few years ago, which can inspect your distribution lines, transmissions, substations, generating plants, whatever your critical infrastructure may be, and they can do it in all facets, from just normal pan, tilt, zoom and pictures and video to your infrared, including LiDAR. With 70 years of experience, Preformed Line Products has been designing and manufacturing all parts of the infrastructure of our systems. Having that experience allows them to offer the full service capability of evaluating all the photos and videos that come back and providing back interactive maps for the utility to be able to determine what needs to be fixed on their system. Here we are at a local utility in North Carolina, starting a transmission inspection program today. With any questions about Preformed Line Products, drone inspection program, please call us at Utility Service Agency.
Hey guys, Mike Pridmore with Utility Service Agency with a local utility here in South Carolina. One of the benefits of PLP's drone inspection services is that we're able to operate with line of sight. And you can see here, looking down this right of way, we see about 25 structures. We'll be able to access and view and take pictures of all these structures from one central access point here, flying down the line, doing the inspection, and then bringing the drone back to this location and setting it down. It makes the inspection process very quick and efficient. We're able to access the line at different points along the line with trucks, not have to stomp through the briars and the weeds to get these inspections done. Thank you.